Have you ever wondered if your birth chart could tell you not only what your purpose is, but also how you're meant to build a life around it? I am Kiara of Crystal Prophecy, and I want to personally invite you to a free workshop I have coming up with my friend Satie. It is called Monetize Your Life Purpose Through Astrology. In this awesome workshop we built together, we're going to explore one of the most powerful placements in your chart that I focus on when I read your astrology. This being your midheaven. Your midheaven represents your public path, your legacy, your career direction, and the impact you're here to make. Together, we'll explore what your midheaven sign reveals about your soul mission, what your midheaven house placement reveals about where you're meant to shine, and how your purpose connects to your visibility, contribution, and abundance. I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek of the awesome app that I've built as well, just so that you can see it yourself. In this app, all you have to do is click begin the quiz, enter whatever birth date that you want to put in. Obviously, you'll need to know what time you were born and what location you were born. Through this, it'll pull up your compass. What's awesome about the compass that I have put hours and hours of time and effort into is you'll get to actually look at your three main signs. You'll get to see your house system. You'll get to see your Vesta and your midheaven, which we'll be focusing on in the free workshop. You'll get to see your midheaven legacy, which is what we'll be talking about, exactly what connects you, which house it's in, and what your mission is with your legacy, as well as some fun things from my Crystal A-Lab Oracle deck, my elementals that are attached to each of your sun, moon, rising. And then if you're curious, we also have the full chart placement below, where you'll get to see where each of your houses are with all of your planets, and also what signs are there. With that, every attendee receives free access to this app with your sun, your moon, your rising, all of the archetypes, your midheaven sign, house, and purpose. This free experience will help you understand what you're here to do. But say you're ready to go deeper, I've created a special VIP upgrade for just $25. This will be a limited time offer. I will be raising the price 72 hours after our awesome free workshop. Because once you know your purpose, the next question then becomes, how do I actually live it?